everyone, welcome back to AV Creators. So today we have another Python video for you, and this time again it's Tkinter GUI. So today I will be showing you the types of message boxes you can create using Tkinter GUI. So basically, to make it very clear what a message box is, so a message box is basically that box which displays a message when something happens. So if they're asking you a question or showing you some information or telling you about an error, the most common one, especially when you know Python, is when you get that syntax error. The beep sound comes and that the X symbol is there and you have a message syntax error, right? And similarly, you might also have inconsistent use of tabs and spaces and indentation and so on. So today I'll be showing you all those 6 types. So for that, here I have 6 buttons all placed and ready. So this is because you have learned what are buttons and how to configure them. So there's no need to again start and waste your time by just creating buttons. So here I have put the commands in as well. So commands will be named the same way. So message box 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So let me first tell you what those 6 types are and then we will type them out one by one. So the 6 types are basically divided into 3. So information, warning and question. Under information we have 1, under warning we have 2 and under question we have 3. So under information we have show info, under warning we have show warning and show error. Question we have ask yes no cancel, ask okay cancel and ask retry cancel. So basically in info you're displaying information for the user, so how to use your program or something like that. The syntax for all of them is similar, so I won't get into that. I will show it to you when I'm typing. For warning, show warning would be when a user might do something that might be a bit risky, and show error might be if the user hasn't entered something somewhere. Okay, so ask yes no cancel would be like we have in Word or PowerPoint. Would you like to save your file? Yes, no or cancel, right? So yes will save the file, no won't save the file, and cancel you won't even go out of the window. Similarly, with ask okay cancel, it might be like I'm saving the file for you, and you have options okay or cancel. And for ask retry cancel, it might be like you have an error and then do you want me to retry or just cancel. Okay, so I hope that has made it clear. So I will just start off by typing the functions now. So this first one is def msg box message box 1. Okay, so the syntax is simple, message box dot show info. Okay, first one will be the title, so I will say AV Creators. Okay, and second will be the content you want it to display, so I will be like watch all our videos. It's just generic text. You can add any text you want based on what you need to showcase. So here I'll just be putting comments, and I'm telling you should also put comments in your code, because when you have huge code like hundreds of lines, thousands of lines, that is when these comments help you in identifying what code is for what, because sometimes while scrolling we just don't realize what we are searching for. So it's always important that when the code starts getting a bit lengthy, we need to keep comments, especially in times like these where some things might look similar. because everything starts with message box dot, so that's why. So show info. Okay, next we have show warning. Okay, so I'll define the function. Okay, so here it is message box, as I wrote in the comment, dot show warning. Show warning. Okay, I will say warning. Okay, so yeah, here I will put use double quotes because I want to use an apostrophe in between. Oh, sorry. Yeah. So this was show warning. Now let's move over to show error. Okay. And when we run it, I will show you all their differences in detail. So I will first run them one by one, and then I will run them all together and separate them out in a line to show you how each of them is different from the other. So def message box 3. Alright, message box dot show error. Okay, here we have error. Okay, error, and okay, this is just normal text. Now coming over to the questions. The first one is ask, yes, no, cancel. Ask, yes, no, cancel. Okay, so def message box 4. Message box dot ask, yes, no, cancel. Okay, here what do we type? So I'll just type out some text. I'm just thinking. So as I gave the example before, would you like to save? Sorry, this is the title. Okay, same syntax. Would you like to save? Okay, now let's move over to ask, okay, cancel. Ask, okay, cancel. Cancel. Okay, so let's make another function, message box 5. Okay, message box dot ask, okay, cancel. Okay, so here coffee. This is just an example. It might not make sense. I am bringing coffee for you. Select cancel to decline. Okay, this is just for sample text. Coming to the sixth one, ask, retry, cancel. So ask, retry, cancel. Sixth function, msg box 6. Message box dot ask, retry, cancel. Okay, let's just keep retry as a title. Okay, we ran into an error. Would you like to retry? Okay, so here we have it. These 6 types of message boxes. Their syntax is very similar. Just this is the key word which you have to pay attention to while typing. and making the message box. So if you check the overall code, there is nothing special or like new in the basic syntax of tkinter import part, this and main loop. So the only difference is from tkinter import message box. So you have to do that, or else this message box will not work. It will say no function named message box. Okay, so now I'll do one thing. Actually I will do two things. I will save this file and run it. So let's see how it looks in action. Okay, so I have saved this code. Let's run it. So here we have our 6 message boxes. I will show you through each one of them, and it won't be possible to get all of them side by side because they create the flash, and they create a beep if you try to go to another window when they're open. So first, show info. So for info, we have this eye icon right here, and the title content is rightly put in there. So let's click OK and move to the next one. Version 2 was warning. So it shows this warning triangle in yellow with an exclamation mark in black. The title and content is as we type. Let's click OK and move to the third one. So error. For error, it's a different sound, and it shows a red circle with a white X in it. So it failed to do something. So let's move on to the next one. Fourth one is ask, yes, no, cancel. So here, would you like to say yes, no, cancel? So I'll just say no. Anyway, it isn't going to do anything even if we type yes, or even if we click yes. Fifth one is ask, okay, cancel. So title and content is right, and here it's okay and cancel, the two options. I will say okay. And the sixth one, the last one, ask, retry, cancel. So again, we have the same icon which we had for the show warning, which is the warning triangle in yellow with an exclamation mark. So here the title content is right, and the options are retry and cancel. So I'll just click retry. So guys, there you have it. Today we saw 6 types of message boxes, which are all the types of it, and their syntax is pretty simple. And this is the keyword message box dot. The next word is the keyword, and that is really important. You should remember to type it rightly. And otherwise the syntax is same, which is title, comma, and then the content. So they have their own different uses, okay, as I explained in the start of the video. So there you have it. That's all for today's video. And if you like this video and found it informative, please like, share and subscribe. And also be sure to watch our other tkinter videos, so they might help you get started if you haven't seen them already. So thank you guys, and stay tuned till the next video. We have exams coming up, and they're just around the corner, so we might not be able to upload very frequently. Like nowadays we are trying for weekly upload. We might not be able to upload weekly, and maybe you can't expect an upload for maybe 2-3 weeks as well. So once we are done with our exams, we will surely be back, and we will make new videos for you guys. But that doesn't mean we'll be disconnected from you. You can always mail us. We'll try our best to respond, and you can join us on Discord. The link to the server is in the description. Okay, so that's all guys. Thank you and bye.